Hello. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule for this presentation on who can or should file 1099s. I hope you will find this information helpful. This is brought to you by Schwartz & Schwartz, a family-owned CPA firm located in Woburn, Massachusetts, just north of Boston. The practice is run by Andrew and Richard Schwartz, brothers and CPAs. They mainly focus on the accounting, tax, and basic financial issues affecting healthcare professionals and their practices. Let's talk about filing 1099s. I will discuss when and how to file 1099s for compensation, rents, royalties, and more which you may pay throughout the year. Every business that makes payments during the year totaling $600 or more to any person or non-corporate entity, with certain exceptions, is required to file Form 1099 miscellaneous. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, I do not believe this pertains to me. Well, let me first give you some examples of who payments would be made to. Rent, lawyers, landscapers, office cleaners, etc. Outside contractors such as hygienists, assistants, physicians, dentists, or web graphic designers. The list goes on. This is just the beginning. Also, interest or dividend payments totaling $10 or more must be reported on Form 1099 interest. Please note the name, address, and identification number of the recipients are required on all 1099 forms. In order to make life most simple for small business owners, the first thing when hiring outside contractors should be to have them complete a Form W-9. If they are uncomfortable filling one out, this is a red flag. Do not hire them. Also, please consider giving a copy of the W-9 to your accountant. Problems can arise with hiring outside contractors when this form is not completed. Be sure to inform the contractor that if they have an address change, they must contact your company to update their information. The 1099 will not process if an incorrect address is used. Please note, all lines must be filled out to complete a W-9 correctly. Name, doing business as, address, and if they are an LLC, choose a specification of corporation, S Corp, or partnership. The process will go much smoother if this is done correctly the first time. For payments made during 2014, a copy of Form 1099 must be mailed to each recipient prior to January 31, 2015. A paper copy of the printed 1099s is required to be filed with the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, on or before February 28, 2015. A copy of the 1099s must be e-filed to the Internal Revenue Service on or before March 31, 2015. There are penalties for filing Forms 1099 late. Let me say this again. Notice, there are penalties for filing 1099s late. Interest accrues quickly on such penalties and is compounded daily. Penalties for filing Form 1099 late are as follows. $30 penalty for filing not more than 30 days late. $60 penalty for filing more than 30 days late but before August 1st. $100 penalty for filing on or after August 1st. And a $250 penalty for intentional failure to file. These penalties were increased as part of the Small Business Jobs Act and have not been repealed. All of the previous discussed forms and instructions, various 1099s, W-9s, and more can be seen on the IRS website at irs.gov. Please feel free to contact Schwartz & Schwartz for assistance with your personal and/or business tax needs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or other needed presentation topic ideas, please contact Schwartz & Schwartz by phone at 781-938-0045 or 1-800-471-0045. You can email them at admin@schwartzaccountants.com. You can also find a wide range of information and links on their website, www.schwartzaccountants.com, and they are also the founders of mdtaxes.com. Thank you and have a great day.